Hey Josiah, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And upon looking at it, it's good to have these call to action buttons. You definitely want to make sure that you have more scattered throughout here. Helps with your conversion. And something else that I'm seeing here is you definitely want to make sure you have more content. And the reason being is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling 24/7. And they are looking at websites, all the content on the websites, and they're looking inside that content for what's called keywords. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want at least 1,500 words on your main page. And then embedded in those keywords, in that content, you want a keyword. Here's an example of a keyword. So this is something that people are searching every month, Foundation Repair OKC. And so when we search that, what we're getting here, we're getting some ads. And when you scroll down, this section is called the map pack, the Google map pack, and you want to be in the top 3 here. And the reason is because 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And in order to be able to beat out these other businesses, you want to make sure you have a Google business profile, have citations, which are your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp, photos, and then 5-star reviews. That way you can start ranking in this top 3, because most people don't go to the more businesses here. So if we scroll down, this section here is what's called the organic listing. Same thing, you want to be in the top 3, because a lot of people don't tend to scroll down, and they generally, it's pretty rare for people to go past the first page. And I don't see you here in this organic listing. The top business here that's in the organic listing is Level Up Foundation Repair. So let's take a look at their website. So they have some of those call to actions here. And they also don't have enough content. So that would be really easy to beat them out in, is having more content on your website. But on the back end, I have Level Up Foundation Repair plugged in here. And it's just going to show us some of the ratings that Google's giving. So UR and DR is power and trust. So they have 24 and 1.9 rating from Google. And so it makes up the power and trust ratings are backlinks, and those come from referring domains. And so what a backlink is that's just another website shouting out or linking to your website. So Google is a popularity contest, so you want to make sure you have more backlinks, but it is important that you pick powerful backlinks and not spammy backlinks, because spammy ones will drop these numbers. Now, if we go to your website, there is a 0 and a 0.5, and that comes from 2 backlinks, 2 referring domains, and then you have 4 keywords on your site. So we want to make sure that we're getting more good quality backlinks and referring domains. So one thing that you could do is we could go into this website's backlinks and then just choose the ones that are pretty good, that have good power and they're not spammy, and link it to your website, because if it's working for them, it's going to work for you. Now let's see, they have 1.1K organic keywords. So here, let's take a look at some of their traffic. So some buyer intent keywords, Foundation Repair OKC, 450 people are searching a month. Oklahoma City Foundation Repair, 450. We'll skip these. Foundation Repair Oklahoma City, 450. Tulsa, 400, 350, 150. So you can see that there is a lot of search volume for some of these keywords, and the list just goes on. So if you would just add some of the content to your website, work on getting some good quality backlinks, and then make sure that you're ranking on the Google Map Packs, you'd be getting some more customers on your website, which means there'd be more people converting. And if you ever need any help with that, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.